friends, welcome back to Meet Your Teeth. This is Dr. Mavish. Hope you all are doing well. So firstly, thank you for all the appreciation and support that you have shown me through your messages and emails. And I'm really sorry for not being able to respond to your queries on the same day, sometimes even for a few weeks, because literally my phone is full of messages and emails on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, on my YouTube platform, and also on my Gmail account. I'm trying. I know I'm lagging behind a bit, but whenever I get time, I try to respond to all your questions. And don't worry, I've got your messages, although I'm a bit behind, but I will respond to you as soon as possible. But if there is anything urgent, like if you have booked for your exams, like for the MFDS exams, and you wish to book for the course with me, then when you send me the message or email, just put that as a subject so that I can respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's get started. Now, there are so many people who keep asking me how many CPDs they should be doing to register as a dental hygienist or dental therapist. And the answer to this is there is no set amount of CPDs. It all depends on what is not covered in your syllabus. So let's say you are providing syllabus for generally it's an overseas dentist, right? So if you're providing your BDS syllabus, I would say first try to answer all the learning outcome questions, taking help from giving reference from your BDS syllabus. And once you are done, only then you will be able to appreciate which questions you couldn't answer from the BDS syllabus. So those will be missing, right? And that way, I would say only for the questions which you couldn't answer, do the CPD courses on that particular topic. And sometimes, you might not be just a BDS graduate. You might also have other qualifications like master's or diploma in dentistry, or any other dental qualification. Then you can also include that, even the nursing, dental nursing qualification, things like that. So you can include the syllabus from all these qualifications and use that as a reference while answering the learning outcome questions. Sometimes people ask will they have to do about 150 or 200 CPD courses in order to get registered? And that's not the case. You don't have to do 150 or 200 CPD courses. As I mentioned, it all depends on what is not covered in your syllabus and has been asked in the learning outcome questions. But as a general rule, there are a few topics which are usually not covered in our overseas syllabus. So what I've done today is I've made a list of such topics, and I will be disclosing that very soon. And also, do you know that once you register as a GDC member, whether being a hygienist, therapist, a dentist, or a dental nurse, every year you are required to submit the CPD hours that you do, and the CPD topics that are included are usually the most important ones, which you have to do every year. So the topics that I'm going to tell you today, these are the most important ones. And yes, there are so many people who keep asking me from where they can do the CPD courses. You can do it online. There are a lot of CPD course providers. Just look for the GDC verifiable CPDs, and you should be able to find a lot of them. I would say go for an annual subscription, although you might find few topics which are available for free, but more economical is just to go for an annual subscription so that you can gain access to all the topics. All right, so coming to the list, the first and the foremost important one, radiography, the IRMR guidelines. This is so important, regardless of whether you show this from your syllabus or not. I would say definitely do these CPD on the IRMR guidelines, because this is really important. Apart from that, Legionella, disinfection, decontamination, cancer detection, sepsis, so important. Safeguarding, again, really important for adults as well as for children and young people. Then legal and ethical information governance, consent taking, extremely important again. Then clinical record keeping, information sharing, complaints handling, GDPR, conflict resolution, hand hygiene, waste management, risk assessment, developing professional skills, staff involvement, teamwork, delegation and referrals, Mental Capacity Act, learning disabilities and autism, health and safety, manual handling, COVID-19. That is something again that has been added. So yeah, these are like a few which are really important. Apart from this, as I mentioned, this is not like an exhaustive list. You might have to do a few more depending upon what you are able to provide through your syllabus. And of course, apart from this, medical emergencies is really important. You are required to submit an ILS or a BLS with AED certificate along with your application. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to message on any of the social media platforms, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I shall be back again with more informative videos, and meanwhile, study hard, work hard, and follow your dreams. Wish you a very happy new year.